particular topic is trading losses for individuals. Trading losses for individuals. We have corporation tax, and in corporation tax we will have same thing, which is trading losses for companies. But today we are discussing individuals. Okay. So the first rule is, you must remember, the first rule is carry forward. First rule is carry forward. What we will do, if we have a loss, if we have a trading loss, we are allowed by tax authorities to carry forward. How to do it, we will learn. But before starting this, how the trading loss will arise. So we know some working, we learned it. See this one. We used to have net profit, remember?
Yes.
After we adjust, add less, and we do get adjusted profit, adjusted trading profit, remember?
Yes.
In this we are deducting capital allowance,
Allowance.
and the answer is known as tax adjusted
Yes.
trading profit, remember?
Yes.
This was the format, and on this amount we are going to apply the basis period, and after the basis period the amount is reported in known saving column of computation of tax. But when trading loss will arise, the things will different. How trading loss will arise, just look at it. I wrote 10,000 here, you can see this 10,000. Just assume my capital allowance is coming 15,000. How much is coming?
15,000.
So the answer will come negative 5,000, right or wrong?
Right.
So this will be, if the answer is coming negative, it will not be tax adjusted trading profit. It will be known as trading loss. It will be known as trading.
Trading loss.
There will be another scenario as well, that we have got this answer adjusted trading profit in minus. It can be possible we have net profit, when we are adding and deducting things like add less rules, we get answer negative. It's possible, right or wrong? So let's assume we have 10,000 negative. So it's tax adjusted trading, not profit, it's tax adjusted trading loss, right or wrong? And we do have capital allowance. Let's suppose 15,000 is my capital allowance. The negative and negative, minus minus is going to be plus, and sign will remain negative. So the answer is 25,000. This will also be known as trading loss. Trading loss means to say the capital allowance can create trading loss. You can see capital allowance is creating trading loss. In first case, which I wrote in black color, it was 10,000 positive, but because of 15,000 capital allowance, we got a loss of 5,000. It can be a case. The second scenario is we have already negative answer, tax adjusted trading profit. After doing add or less, allowed, not allowed adjustments, we got negative answer, which is 10,000 negative here. And capital allowance is also there. So capital allowance is increasing the loss. Means capital allowance can create a loss, and capital allowance can also increase the loss. This is the first rule, how trading loss arises. This is the answer of this particular question. Any confusion, please ask.
So capital allowances can increase the trading loss.
Yes, and it can
Or
create a trading loss as well.
it can create a trading loss as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you remember the personal allowance and this type of allowances, they cannot create negative figures. We said it very strictly that allowances cannot create minus answer. In the personal allowance case or in any other allowances or relief cases, they cannot create losses. But we have an exception, capital allowance. Capital allowance can create a loss. Capital allowance can increase the loss. Got it?
Got it.
You want to copy it?
Yes.
Yeah, once done, let me know. he knows how a capital loss, how a trading loss will arise. Okay, so how to adjust it? Profit is taxable. We Government is charging tax if you have a profit. So government is giving you relief if you have a loss. Just remember this. Government will going to give you relief if you have a loss. Got my point? The first relief package, you can say this is a relief package, is number one package is known as carry forward relief. Number one is carried forward relief. So in this question number one, we are going to learn carry forward relief, how this relief will apply. So I need you to please read the question. Is at your screen now.
Edward has had the following recent tax-adjusted trading results. Year to 31st December 2019, loss 5,000. Year to 31st December 2020, profit 3,000. Year to 31st December 2021, profit
10,000.
10,000.
The requirement, please, very carefully.
Assuming that Edward wishes to carry the loss forward, calculate his assessable trading profit
Okay.
for the tax years 2019-20.
Tell me, is it the first year of trade, second year of trade, last year of trade, or just it's a running business?
It's a running business.
Running business, it's
Ongoing.
ongoing, right? Ongoing means copy paste, no rules, right?
Right.
Which tax year is this one? 31st December 2019. Fall in which tax year?
18,
Uh,
yeah, sorry, 19 to 20.
1920, because 6th April 19 till 5th April 20 is fall in between, right? So this is the amount. How to do it? Very carefully. This is the first question we are doing. So trading income. Do we have any trading income in the first year? No. We have a loss. We will not write loss because we are going to adjust it, right or wrong?
Right.
Now, the first relief is known as carry forward relief. Remember one thing, the carry forward relief adjusted only from trading income. Only from which income? Trading income. Because it's a trading loss, so it will only be adjusted from trading income. It will not adjust it in property income. It will not adjust it from employment income. It will not adjust it from savings income. It will not be adjusted to from dividend income. It's a trading loss, and if you are applying carry forward rule, it will only be adjusted from trading income. Got my point?
Okay.
Now see, loss relief. Which relief you are going to apply? Carry forward means for the next year it will be brought forward, right or wrong? If last year is carrying it from 1920, it will move to 2021. How much loss you have? How much loss arises? Loss arises 1920. How much it was? 5,000, right or wrong? Okay. Now 2021, how much you can adjust? How much maximum you can adjust here?
3,000.
Okay. So we adjusted 3,000 here. So out of 5,000, 3,000 is adjusted. How much left?
2,000.
So there is no limit how many years you can carry forward until your business is alive. You can carry it forward. If you close down your business, khalas, the loss will be wasted. You cannot carry it forward more than the life of the business. So this is zero. Yani you can say carry forward to 22, 23 will be zero because it's all consumed. And this working which I did here, it's known as loss memorandum. And if the question is coming in CRQ section C, you have to show this loss memorandum. There will be marks, okay? And the answer here will be known as net trading income. Here will be zero. Here will also be zero, and here will be 8,000. You can see the loss adjust my future profits. Yani In 2021, if I am not adjusting the loss, I have to pay tax on 3,000. If 21-22, if I am not adjusting the loss of 2,000, I have to pay tax on the total amount of 10,000. Now, because of a relief of 2,000, I will only pay the tax on the amount of 8,000. So it's a relief, and it's reducing my future profits and going to be give me tax credit, going to be give me benefit in tax. This is the first relief, which is carry forward relief, and carry forward relief only be adjusted from trading income. Carry forward relief will only be adjusted from trading income. Any questions? Now you have question number 2 at your screen. I need the answer. Can you try, please? Now we will move with some advantages of this carry forward relief. Carry forward relief is an easy relief, easy to apply for a continuous trade, and ongoing business is very easy to apply. The drawbacks are we don't know until when business will continue. If business discontinues, the loss will be lost. We are not be able to adjust it in future if there is no business. So this is the drawback. You must memorize the advantage and drawback of this relief. Now the second relief. The second relief is known as relief against total income. First one was the relief against trading income carry forward relief. Now we are going to learn relief against total income. Relief against total income. So how this relief will apply? This is the second type of relief. This is the second type of relief. Relief against total income. Okay. So please read the question.
Past recent tax adjusted trading results are as follows. Year to 31st December 2020 profit 10,000. Year to 31st December 2021 loss 6,000. Year to 31st December 2022 profit 12,000. Explain how Abbas can utilize the loss arising in the year end 31st December 2021, assuming he claims to offset it against his total income.
Okay. Relief against total income will work in this way. It will be adjusted from current year and it will be carried back, not carry forward. It will be carried back to 12 months. Means to say the loss of 6,000. Which tax year is this? 31st December 21 is in which tax year?
21 to 22.
You are right. So the loss can be adjusted in the current year. Where? Current year what? Trading income or total income? Yani we can adjust it
His
from total income of 21 and 22, plus we can adjust it from the total income of 1920, which is carried back. Sorry, it's carried back. No, carried back means previous year. Previous year will be 2021. Right or wrong? This is we have this year. So the back one will be this. Right or wrong? 1 year back. So this will be carried back 1 year. Now the question will come in your mind. So the last year is already closed. How we are going to take it back from government? So this is not your problem at this stage. Just assume it that government is going to repay you the money. Government is going to repay you the money. But remember, if we are going to apply relief against total income, it will be from current year and 1 year back. Current year and 1 year back. The carry forward was carry forward next year and adjusted from only trading income. But this one will apply from total income and current year and carried back. Current year and carried back. Got my point? Hello. Please note it down. So now we have an example question. just in the last example, it was asking that how to do it. So we give you the solution, just we explain it. Now we are going to solve it very first time. So very carefully, please look at the screen. This is the question. Please read the question by your own.
Those recent tax adjusted trading results are as follows. Those other income each year is £12,000. Year ended 31st July 2019, profit 18,000. Year ended 31st July 2020, loss 43,200. Year ended 31st July 2021, profit 13,000. Year ended 31st July 2022, profit 15,000. Show rows net income for all tax years affected, assuming no claim is made against total income for trading loss. Claims against total income are made to obtain relief for the loss as early as possible.
Okay. So first of all, requirement A, no claim is made against total income. Means no claim against total income. This means just apply it, carry forward, right or wrong?
Right.
Okay. So first of all, is it a ongoing question? Ongoing. This is just a live. No start date, no closing date means it's a ongoing scenario, right or wrong? So just tell me the text here of this one, first one.
1920.
Sorry?
1920.
You are right. So we have trading income 18,000. Then loss will be not recorded. Loss will be reported at 0. 13,000 and 15,000. Am I right? So the carry forward will apply from here. Loss relief brought forward, and this will only be futuristic. So used in 21-22, how much we will use here? 13,000. So loss is still there. So here we will use how much? 15,000. So we will still have left. How much loss left? I think 15,200, and it will be carry forward to 23-24 the next year, but the data is not given. So the question is completed. The carry forward relief is the easiest one. This is the answer. In the question they give you other income. You can see here I highlighted other income. Other income can be interest, it can be property income, it can be employment income, it can be dividend, it can be anything. Other income. So they are giving you other incomes of 12,000. So just we are doing it. Here is 30, here will be 12, here will be 12, and there will be 12, and this will be known as the net income, or you can say total income. There is no qualifying interest, no, because this is individual. When we add all the incomes, it's coming total income, and if we deducted the qualifying interest, we get net income, right or wrong? You can say this is the columns of total. These are the columns of the total of the very first topic of computation of income tax. Computation of income tax, what we were doing? We were making a total column in which we are having trading income, employment income, interest income, savings income, dividend income, property income. This is the total column. And in the total, we have total income and there is no qualifying interest. So we have net income. Any problem? Hello?
No issues.
Sorry? No issues. Please note it down. Because of the sharing issue, this is the income. Loss we are not writing. Income and income. The loss is here. Right or wrong? Hello? Now
Yes,
it's saying first requirement A, just carry it forward. So we apply carry forward rule. Means loss is in here. Loss is in 2021. So we are just carrying it forward. Right or wrong? First year 13,000, second year 15,000, whatever the loss left, which is this one, is carried forward to the next year. And after this, we add all this. Other income is mentioned here, other income is given. So we just add other income and we got total income, and there is no qualifying interest. So it's same like total income or net income for individual. After this, personal allowance will apply and taxable income will come. Okay. I was writing, but the screen was not shared. So if it's happened sometime, just let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Any confusion in this?
No, I was actually doing it on my own.
Okay, okay. You were thinking this, I was just explaining you. Okay, I got it. Now look at the answer. Any question? Now in this question, we are going to do the second requirement. Please read the second requirement. What is asking?
Claims against total income are made to obtain relief for the loss as early as possible.
Just note it down. As earliest as possible means as earliest as possible is the hint by examiner. This means you will apply in this manner. Current year, then carried back for 12 months, and if loss is still loss is there, then you will carry it forward. How to do it? I will show you. Just note it down that if examiner writes loss as earliest as possible, this means this order. You make apply the loss relief in this order. Okay. How to do it? We will do it, inshallah. Just look at the screen. We have this now 1920, 2021, 2122, and 2223, right or wrong? And on the corner we have loss memorandum. Loss arises in second year, which is this one, 43,200, right? Till here we are fine. Trading income, we have 18,000 here, we have 0 losses here, 13 is here, and 15,000 here, right?
Right.
Now we will leave one line here, which is loss relief brought forward. We will leave it. We will just leave a line here. Okay. The loss arises in this year, right or wrong? The order is this. What is the order? First is what?
First is current and carried back for
Can you tell me the relief? What he wrote from where? We knows this, that current and carried back will applies from this 1 and 2 will applies from total income, right or wrong?
right.
And the third one, which is carry forward, is separate. This carry forward will apply from trading income, not from total income, right? Carry forward only applies from trading income, and carried back is applies from current year, and carry back applies from, hello?
Hello,
Yes, you can hear.
carried back for 12 months.
Yes. Current year and carried back will apply from total income, although the other ones, which is only carry forward, will apply from total trading income. Carry forward will apply from trading income. Current and carried back will apply from total income. Got it? Now look at the screen. The loss is here. The loss is here. First of all, in order to calculate the total income, we need other income. The other income is here, 12,000 every year, 12,000 each year. So just I am writing it. I'm just making, you can say we are just making a format. The loss relief we will plot after. Just we are plotting it. The data, we are plotting the data. We got total income here. and then we'll have loss relief. Okay. First of all, the year of loss. This is the year of loss. I am only solving this year. Okay. Very carefully look at it. This is 0. 12,000 other income means I have total income of how much?
Sir, the audio is not clear.
My audio is not clear. Okay, let me repeat myself. We are at 2021, right? You can hear me?
Right, we are at 20.
Okay, we have loss here. That's why we wrote 0. The carry forward relief is not applying on the same year. So I write here 0. Means 0 is here. I have other income of 12,000. So how much current year relief I can apply? How much I can apply here? I can apply 12,000 here or no? So I applied 12,000 from this one, and I will get net income, which will be 0. So the loss was this one, used in 2021. 2021 is the current year, right or wrong? Is the current year. Current year means the year of loss, and current year loss relief can only be applied from total income. So what I did, I just make one column, complete column for 2021. I calculated total income, which is coming 12,000, and I adjusted total amount in the current year. So I got net income 0 in 2021. Any problem?
Can you repeat the last?
Sorry.
Can you repeat the last part that you said?
See, current year is means the year of loss. Current year means year of loss. Our loss arises in 2021, right or wrong?
Right.
Current year relief is only applicable from total income. So 2021 trading income is 0, other income is 12. So the total income of 2021 is 12,000, right or wrong?
Right.
I adjusted how much in this 12,000? I adjusted only 12,000 here.
Right.
Got it?
Got it.
Now the second, the sequence is current. Current is done. The second is carried back. Carried back means previous year, which is 1920. How much I will adjust here? So carry forward will not apply because carry forward will apply here. No, futuristic. Carry forward is futuristic. We are going back. 18 is the trading income, 12 is the other income. The total is 30,000, right or wrong? Till here you are with me? Any problem?
No problem.
Huh?
No problem.
So carried back means previous year. Previous year total income is how much? So I adjust how much from previous year? Is it 30,000? So I will adjust how much
Yes.
here? 30,000. Hello. This is what? Carried back. Current year and carried back applies from total income. Current year and carried back applies from total income. We did it. Any problem you have? How much loss left? 43,200 was the total loss. 12,000 and 30,000 is adjusted. How much left? How much loss left? Whatever the left amount, which is coming here, 1200,
1200 is what?
we will carry forward it. Carry forward. Do we have futuristic data? Futuristic means the next year of loss data. Do we have it? Yes, we have here. This one. This is the next year of loss, right or wrong? The carry forward loss applies from where? Carry forward relief will apply from total income or it will apply from trading income only? What do you remember? Carry,
1200 will be.
sorry,
We would deduct 1200 of it for the
right
relief.
from the,
What?
no, this 1200 will be carry forward, right? In next year,
Right.
which is 21-22, the green highlighted one. My question to you,
Yes.
this 1200 will be adjusted from where? From here or from here?
From the above.
From the above. Why? You are right, but why? Because, sir, the carry forward relief is only applicable, carry forward relief is only applicable from trading income only. Right or wrong? We will now total them
Right.
off. Uh, and that's all for this. As soon as early as possible, if examiner writes claim the loss as early as possible, so we will combine it, we will apply in the current year total income, we will carry it back total income, and whatever the leftover in this question, it's 1200, we will carry forward, and carry forward will not be from total income, carry forward will be only from trading income. That's it for this type of questions. Any confusion? How, when you can apply this one in the exam? If the examiner wrote as early
Early
as
as possible.
possible. Okay, please note it down and ask if you have any confusion or any question, please. Okay. Now, there is a question number 5 at your screen at Rhine. Okay, can you tell me the answer, please? Who did it? So this text here is this. This is ongoing question. There is no start date, no closing date. So this is ongoing case. Which year text here is this one? The first one is in 2021, right or wrong?
Right.
And the loss, year of loss is this. So year of loss,
Yes.
always writing 0, trading income. Profit is 34,000, then 0, then this. Then we will leave a space for futuristic loss relief. Loss relief carry forward. It will be applied in this year only. Here, right or wrong? And then we will write here other income is given, right? It's different, 5,000, 6,000 and 13,000. We will have here total income. After total income, we are having again loss relief, and this will be from current year and carried back. After this, we are having net income. This is the structure, right or wrong? And we know
Right.
as soon as possible means it's written as soon as possible? No.
No, it's not written,
But
but it's written that he claimed against total income.
so first this one, second this one, and this is the third one. Okay. The loss memorandum will show us the loss of how much?
38,000.
48,000. First of all, I need the total of this one. So 0, 6,000 will be 6,000. How much we are going to adjust here?
6,000.
Current year relief will be 6,000 and 0 is the reporting amount, right?
Right.
Now, carry it back. So this is 34 plus 5, 39,000. How much we are going to adjust?
39,000.
Hmm? How much?
39,000.
How much loss amount is left here? 42, right? So 39
Right.
will be adjusted here. 0 will be reported. How much loss left?
3,000.
3,000 to be carry forward.
Carried forward.
So carry forward will be here, 3000. Right or wrong? So 0 for the next year. Here will be
Right.
3,800. Here will be 16,800, and this one. Till here, you have any doubts?
No.
We solve it assuming as soon as possible, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, after net income, we have personal allowance. How much personal allowance you have? You remember?
12,570.
Okay, so taxable income will be here. There will be waste because there is no income. I cannot apply personal allowance. There is no income. I cannot take benefit from personal allowance. And here, how much? 12,570.
70.
So 0, 0, and
4230.
4.
4230.
Okay, this is the first case. As soon as possible, if examiner is asking us in requirement apply loss relief as soon as possible, this will be the case. But in this requirement is not asking us this. In this requirement is asking the most beneficial way. So the most beneficial way, we have to solve this question 4 times. Okay, the first time is this one, as soon as possible. If we are applying as soon as possible way, we are having this answer. You got it?
Okay, why did we deduct personal allowance but not in the previous question?
uh, because previous question we were just learning, no? In this previous question we have to deduct the personal allowance as well. For the exam type, we are always deducting personal allowance. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the one way which we can say as soon as possible is done. So what we learned today? We learned how to apply carry forward relief and how to apply as soon as possible way of claiming loss relief. But if the requirement is asking the most beneficial way, how we are going to twist this example, we are going to learn in tomorrow class. So please, before tomorrow class, what we learned today, please recall it, do the 5 questions again by yourself so you can get it what I am going to start from the next class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then see you tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.